How to cancel State Farm insurance. Here is a step-by-step guide to canceling your State Farm insurance policy. You can cancel your State Farm insurance policy with three methods. Method 1, cancel by phone. Locate your policy number, name, and date of birth. If canceling an auto policy due to selling your vehicle, have proof of vehicle plate forfeiture or a bill of sale ready. Call your local State Farm agent. You can find their contact information on your policy documents or the State Farm website. Clearly explain your intention to cancel the policy. Furnish the required details such as policy number, personal information, and any additional documentation related to your situation. If canceling auto insurance, you can also call 800 State Farm directly. Decide whether you want the cancellation to take effect immediately or schedule it for a future date. Some states may require you to inform the DMV about policy changes. Confirm with your agent or check your state's guidelines for any additional steps. Method 2, cancel by mail. Draft a letter stating your intention to cancel the policy. Include your policy number, name, date of birth, and any relevant details about your situation. Enclose any necessary documents such as proof of vehicle sale if canceling an auto policy. Mail the letter to your local State Farm agent's address, which can be found on your policy documents or the State Farm website. Method 3, cancel in person. Schedule an appointment. Call your local State Farm agent to schedule an in-person appointment. Go to the scheduled appointment with all the necessary documents and information in person. Discuss your decision to cancel and provide the required information. Confirm the effective date of cancellation. Check state requirements. As with phone cancellations, inquire about any state-specific requirements, especially if canceling auto insurance. By following these step-by-step instructions, you can smoothly cancel your State Farm insurance policy, whether by phone, mail, or in person, based on your preference and convenience.